Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful strategy to help you build or boost your credit using authorized user status. Whether you're new to credit or looking for an extra boost, this method can be a game changer. In this video, I'll explain what authorized user status is, how it works, the benefits, the potential risks, and exactly how you can use it to improve your credit profile. Let's get started. First, let's clarify what it means to be an authorized user. When you're added as an authorized user on someone else's credit account, most commonly a credit card, you gain access to that account's history. Although you aren't legally obligated to make payments or manage the account's positive or negative history can appear on your credit report. Essentially, you're borrowing the creditworthiness of someone with an established account, and that can help you build your own credit profile. Let's break down exactly how this can help your credit score. Positive payment history. If the primary account holder consistently pays on time, that positive history is reported to the credit bureaus. As an authorized user, you benefit from this record without having had to build a credit history from scratch. Low credit utilization. Credit utilization, the ratio of credit card balances to credit limits, is a major factor in your credit score. If the account you're added to has a high limit and low balance, it can help lower your overall utilization ratio. Length of credit history. An account with many years of positive history can help establish a longer credit history for you, which is another key element in credit scoring models. Improved access to credit. With a better credit score, you're more likely to be approved for new credit on favorable terms, such as lower interest rates and higher limits. In short, being an authorized user allows you to piggyback on someone else's good credit habits, which can give you a significant boost when you need to establish or rebuild your own credit. Now that you know how beneficial authorized user status can be, let's talk about how you can become one. Here's a step-by-step guide. Identify a trusted primary account holder. Look for a family member, close friend, or partner with a well-established credit account. Ideally, this person has a long history of responsible credit use and a solid payment record. Discuss the arrangement. Have an honest conversation about your goal to build your credit. Explain why you'd like to be added as an authorized user. Emphasize that you're committed to learning responsible credit habits and ensure they're comfortable with the arrangement. Request to be added. The primary account holder can contact their credit card issuer either online or by phone. They simply need to provide your name and, in some cases, additional identifying information so that you can be added to their account. Confirm reporting practices. Not all credit card issuers report authorized user activity to the credit bureaus. Before you proceed, confirm with the issuer that your status as an authorized user will be reported to the major bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Monitor your credit. After you've been added, check your credit reports to ensure that the account is being reported correctly. Use free credit monitoring tools or services to track the progress of your credit score over time. It's important to be strategic about which account you join. Here are some factors to consider. Account history. Choose an account with a long positive history. The longer the account has been opened, the better it is for your credit. Payment behavior. Ensure that the primary account holder consistently makes on-time payments. Any late payments on that account can also affect your credit. Credit utilization. Ideally, the account should have a high credit limit and low utilization. A high balance could negatively impact your overall credit utilization ratio. Recent activity. If the account recently had negative events, like a delinquency, it might be best to avoid it until the account has a longer record of positive behavior. Being selective will help ensure that the authorized user account works in your favor rather than dragging your credit score down. While becoming an authorized user is a powerful tool, there are some best practices and potential risks to consider. Maintain open communication. Keep in regular contact with the primary account holder. Make sure they continue to manage the account responsibly. Monitor your credit. Regularly check your credit reports to confirm that the account is being reported accurately. Educate yourself. Use this opportunity to learn about credit management so you're ready to handle your own credit accounts in the future. Don'ts. Don't rely solely on this strategy. While it can boost your score, it's important to build your own credit through responsible financial behavior. Avoid negative accounts. Never ask to be added to an account that has a history of late payments, high balances, or other negative marks. Be aware of potential conflicts. Although you're not legally responsible for the debt, any issues with the primary account holder's management of the account can indirectly affect you. Choose someone who is trustworthy and financially stable. Let's look at a couple of examples to see how this works in real life. Example 1. Imagine you're new to credit in the United States. Your older sibling, who has maintained a credit card for over 10 years with an excellent payment record and low balance, agrees to add you as an authorized user. Within a few months, you notice that the positive history from that account starts to reflect on your credit report, helping you qualify for your first credit card with favorable terms. Example 2. Suppose you've had some credit challenges in the past, but you're committed to rebuilding your credit. A close friend with a well-managed account adds you as an authorized user. Over time, as the account continues to perform well, you see gradual improvements in your credit score, which opens up opportunities for new, lower-interest credit products. These examples illustrate how a strong authorized user account can help you get on the right financial path. Using authorized user status is a fantastic starting point, but it's also important to work toward managing your own credit independently. Here's a suggested roadmap. Establish your score. Use your authorized user status to build a solid credit foundation. Learn responsible credit management. Observe and adopt the positive credit habits of the primary account holder. This includes on-time payments and keeping balances low. Apply for your own credit. Once you have a stronger credit profile, consider applying for your own secured or unsecured credit card. Continue to build and diversify. Gradually expand your credit portfolio by responsibly managing different types of credit, such as installment loans or personal lines of credit. This gradual transition helps ensure that you're prepared to manage your own credit responsibly and continue building a healthy credit history. Let's quickly recap the key points. What is authorized user status? It allows you to be added to someone else's credit account, benefiting from their positive history. How can it help your credit? It can boost your score through positive payment history, low credit utilization, and a longer account history. How to get added? Identify a trustworthy primary account holder, discuss the arrangement, and ensure the account is reported. Best practices. Choose the right account, communicate openly, monitor your credit, and always strive to learn responsible credit habits. Long-term strategy. Use this as a stepping stone to eventually manage your own credit independently. By using authorized user status wisely, you're not only boosting your credit in the short term, but also setting the stage for a secure financial future. Thank you so much for watching this in-depth guide on how to use authorized user status to build credit. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone who could benefit from these tips. I'd love to hear your experiences or any questions you have in the comments below. Let's help each other build better credit. Remember, while being an authorized user is a fantastic tool, the goal is to learn and eventually manage your own credit responsibly. Until next time, take care, stay financially savvy, and keep working toward a brighter future.